Today, I was invited to the grand inauguration of a Catholic church in the heart of Hanoi. A beautiful celebration of faith, tradition, and community. The atmosphere was filled with warmth, devotion, and undeniably sense of unity. The occasion unfolded with amazing food featuring the rich flavors of Vietnamese cuisine. Shrimp, fresh salad, fried ducks and chicken, crispy fried pigeon, tender beef, and so much more. Every dish is full of tradition, every bite a taste of Vietnamese proud heritage. Then I found myself drinking and eating with the locals, sharing laughter and toast. It was a celebration of culture, connection, and the joy of coming together. Thank you, Vietnamese friends, for inviting us. I'll see you again.